All right, good morning, everybody. It's Sergio with the Rideshare Guy. I am taking one for the team this morning, actually today. It's 9:45. I'm in the San Fernando Valley of Los Angeles. First things first, gotta buy gas. And this is the experiment today. I have a very, very lucrative quest. Just kidding. 20 trips for $15. And here's the beauty. I have my ride selection set up to UberX and Share and Comfort. I'm able to do those. FYI, I drive a 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. Very roomy, very comfortable car. Averages about 26, 27 miles a gallon. Highway and city mixed. Before I get to what experiment I'm conducting, here's my quest. As you guys can see, a whole $15 for 20 trips. So I see I have a $2 boost between 5 and 6 since I'll be out and about. Let me sign up for that. That's the only boost I have for the day. So basically, incentives or promos are useless at the moment. I don't think I'll be out until midnight, but I'm trying to finish all 20 today. Now, here is the experiment. For the first time in 8 years, I am going to accept 20 trips in a row. Even if it lands me at the Tijuana border. And then do a recap of all the earnings, all the miles I've driven, all the expenses. Now, as I said, I drive a 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. I have figured that it cost me, including gas, depreciation, maintenance, all those goodies, about $6 an hour to run. But I'm going to go more loose today. I'm going to count at the end when I do my recap $5 per hour. A lot of people look into dollars per mile. That's kind of, I don't know. In LA, it's really not that accurate because 3 miles could take you 45 minutes. But regardless, I'm going to accept 20 trips in a row. I'm going to allow the algo to decide where to send me, what to do with it, and put the results up. Hopefully, I don't get a stroke because I've never done it. I know a lot of people have 100% acceptance rates. Let's see if it works in LA. It may, because there is no surge anymore. And I am just kind of thinking, if there are no cherries to pick, right? Give in and let the algorithm decide. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to make as much even if I did cherry pick without surge. But hey, I'm just going on the whims of the algo. So that's the experiment. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope I'm still alive after 12-hour shift today. Again, it's 10 a.m. almost. I'm going to gas up now. And for that, I'm going to use my Upside app. I use it every time I buy gas. A lot of people don't like it. It's a free app. I don't know why people complain about Upside. Click on gas. This Arco station has 14 cents, and I'm literally less than half a mile away. So I'm going to claim that. I'm going to be at the station in a minute. So far on the app, I have saved, let's see, close to $20. Pretty good. And once I'm done gassing up, I'll take a picture of my odometer so I know exactly how many miles I drove all day, dead mile, period 1, period 2, period 3, all of it. And then my hours online and active will be obviously on the app. And if I can finish 20 today in 12 hours, which I'm hoping I will because I don't want to drive tomorrow. I don't think I can do this madness 2 days in a row. I'll put the results up and then we'll talk about it. Either on Show Me the Money on Tuesday. I'm sure we'll put out a couple of funny videos out this weekend. And that's it. So you all be safe out there. I'm in LA. Maybe you guys will see me around today because I don't know where I'm going. I'm just going to accept 20 in a row. We'll see. All right. You all be safe out there. All right. Buying gas. Let's get the show on the road. So I'm using the Upside app. I am at this Arco, $4.39. I get a 14 or 15 cent discount. And I will buy $50 worth of gas. And hopefully that will last me the 20 trips that I'm going to take in a row. And I will also show you guys my odometer that it's zeroed out. So there is no questions. Because a lot of knuckleheads will question it. And here's my car. My beautiful 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. And yeah. We'll stop at $50, get my $1.50 cash back, and get the show on the road. Alright everyone, let the adventures begin. It's 11 a.m. San Fernando Valley of Los Angeles. I am going to accept 20 in a row. FYI, I bought gas, used the Upside app, bought about 11.5 gallons to fill up the tank. And this is how easy it is. Literally, I claimed this already. I bought the gas, and all I have to do is... Actually, I bought gas at $4.25, which is the lowest I've seen in about, I don't know, 6-8 months in LA. So 14-15 cent discount, about a couple of bucks more on top of my 20 I earned already last few months. All I have to do is click I paid, which I am, and I'm done. And I'm gonna wait for the money in a day or so. So that part is done. Now let's get back. That's the video that you guys will see on me buying gas. So I'm being completely transparent. This video will go up probably today. And here I am. No surge anywhere, obviously. It's 11 a.m. Let's turn the app on. Let's see what we're gonna get. Ooh. Take a photo of myself. Gladly, Uber. This has been going on quite often, actually. Luckily, this didn't happen at LAX or something like that. And for that, I will have to take my hat off, my glasses off. I'm having a bad hair day, but it is what it is. Let's do it. It is my account, sir. Actually, I like this verification quite a bit because there are a lot of fake accounts out there. I can probably buy a fake account down the street. It's completely unsafe. Uber, Lyft, you need to stop that. Ask for verification every few hours. Specifically to Uber Eats drivers and DoorDash drivers, because that's going to be a big problem. It's adding to oversaturation as it is. Continue. This is my beautiful mug. Boom. Thanks for verifying. And the app is on. So, here's the experiment. 20 in a row. without declining one, even if it takes me to the Tijuana border. I have about 380 miles in my tank, full tank. Bought $50 worth of gas. And I should average about 27 to 30 miles per gallon. And let's see where this adventure takes me. And then next week, or once I recovered financially, mentally, because I have never done this in 8 years, take 20 in a row. But there are a lot of people who do it. Anyway, then I'll do it my way, the same day, the same hours. So it'll be an apples to apples comparison. But this is going to show the flexibility and freedom that these companies keep talking about, and the $32 per active. Let's see if I hit all these targets. Yeah, I have the flexibility and freedom to turn the app on. Well, let's see when I get my first trip. Who knows? I don't know. But I'm going to take 20 in a row. I'm going to let the algorithm decide. And even at 11 a.m. in the San Fernando Valley, let's see how many drivers are around me. A ton, I'll bet. Comfort, no. UberX, let's see how many UberX. Yeah, look at this. A ton. Well, yeah, here I am. My little self with a car on top of me. That car does not exist. That's a phantom car, I'm pretty sure. But Uber app has to show that to make the consumer feel more comfortable, so they order an Uber as opposed to be in Lyft. So I'm gonna wait, and once I get my first ping, I will end this short video, and we'll see where we go, where life takes me today. The adventures of Sergio for 12 hours. Yeah, there I am. There I go. Turn all the other apps off. Get back on the Uber driver app. And that's it. When I get the first ping, I'll accept it and keep accepting it. Today I'm not going to do my usual turn new request off. I'm just going to allow the algo take me wherever it's going to take me. So it's been about 3 minutes that I haven't gotten a ping yet, but you know, this is the issue that I've had last 2 weekends. These CEOs keep talking about 32 per active hour. Granted, in the Valley I may not get 32 per active hour, but it is their nationwide average. If I'm not getting it in LA, how's a person in, you know, Twin Cities getting it? How's a person in Idaho getting it? How's a person in Atlanta getting it? We put up those numbers. I mean, they're horrible right now. It's Uber's numbers, not ours. It's on Show Me the Money Club last week, and we put out a short with all the cities. Thanks to our community, I have about 60 cities now, and I haven't seen one price increase, meaning fair increase, meaning one earnings increase for the drivers in that city within a given period of time, within given days. It's been declining for the last 8-10 weeks in a row, on top of the declines that we experienced in 2023 anyway. Here's my first trip. I'm taking it. Let's go. UberX share. Accept. And let's have a good day. This starts the adventure. Have a good one, everyone. Be safe.